Here's the spot where my Mini used to be and isn't currently. So I thought I'd just put a little video on explaining what's been going on during 2020, year of the pandemic. So yeah, 2020, didn't get out half as much in the Mini as I'd hoped. I had bought it just towards the end of 2019 and spent a fair bit of time just getting it MOT'd and finding out all the things that needed done on it and then doing some of them. And just when I got out driving it properly, sort of towards the middle of the summer, whenever we could, like heading for groceries and what have you, then one day just clunk, massive fail, and just pulled straight over, and all the oil was coming out the bottom of the car. And some of the Cumbria Classic Mini people told me right away they could see what it was, that it was the differential. Goodness, it must have had some force to break the bottom of the casing like that. So that was the end of my Mini adventures in 2020. It took a while to figure out how I was going to get the work done and get it to the garage that's currently working on it. Hoping to get it back in January now this month, and I can start and do some of the little jobs that I wanted to do to get it back on the road again. So the Mini is back, and new engine, new gearbox, new clutch, lots of work done to it.